Learn Gujarati past tense. I made equals.
મેં બનાવ્યું.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fast lane to fun language learning. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for free drills, printables, and more. Today you'll nail Gujarati past tense for make and do with jokes, claps, and bite-sized drills. Keep your ears open for English cues like I made, make, he made, she made, it made, we did, do, and they did, and answer with Gujarati out loud. Your goal today. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. Say each English cue, then the Gujarati. I made equals.
મેં બનાવ્યું.
Make equals.
બનાવવું.
He made equals.
તેણે બનાવ્યું.
She made equals.
તેણીએ બનાવ્યું.
It made equals.
તે બનાવ્યું.
We did equals.
અમે કર્યું.
Do equals.
કરવું.
They did equals.
તેઓએ કર્યું.
Quick forms with rhythm. Clap on each arrow. You lead the beat. I made.
મેં બનાવ્યું.
Victory clap. He made.
તેણે બનાવ્યું.
Head nod. She made.
તેણીએ બનાવ્યું.
Chef's kiss. It made.
તે બનાવ્યું.
Robot beep. We did.
અમે કર્યું.
Team high five. They did.
તેઓએ કર્યું.
Crowd cheer. To make.
બનાવવું.
Build it. To do.
કરવું.
Get it done. Mini dialogues. 2 scenes, super short, answer out loud. Kitchen. A. Who baked the cake? B. He made it.
તેણે બનાવ્યું.
A. Nice. Yesterday I made cookies.
મેં બનાવ્યું.
Workshop. A. Can you make this? B. Yes, I can make it.
બનાવવું.
A. Great, and I will do the paint.
કરવું.
Later, we did it.
અમે કર્યું.
They did the cleanup.
તેઓએ કર્યું.
Home. A. Who fixed the lamp? B. She made it work.
તેણીએ બનાવ્યું.
A. And the humming sound? B. It made that noise.
તે બનાવ્યું.
Culture tip. Picture a Gujarati thali, rotli, shak, dal, rice, yum. In many Gujarati homes, giving credit is a mini ritual. You'll hear proud lines like she made the undyu.
તેણીએ બનાવ્યું.
He made the chai.
તેણે બનાવ્યું.
And we did the prep.
અમે કર્યું.
Your mission. Point, smile, and say I made it.
મેં બનાવ્યું.
Pronunciation drill. Echo each line twice, first slow, then natural. I made.
મેં બનાવ્યું.
He made.
તેણે બનાવ્યું.
She made.
તેણીએ બનાવ્યું.
It made.
તે બનાવ્યું.
We did.
અમે કર્યું.
They did.
તેઓએ કર્યું.
Make, to make.
બનાવવું.
Do, to do.
કરવું.
Quick quiz. Answer, then I'll reveal it after a pause. Translate. He made. Answer.
તેણે બનાવ્યું.
Translate. We did. Answer.
અમે કર્યું.
Translate. They did. Answer.
તેઓએ કર્યું.
Translate. Make, the verb. Answer.
બનાવવું.
Translate. Do, the verb. Answer.
કરવું.
Translate. She made. Answer.
તેણીએ બનાવ્યું.
Translate. It made. Answer.
તે બનાવ્યું.
Translate. I made. Answer.
મેં બનાવ્યું.
Challenge time. Your turn. Make 3 tiny wins right now. Say out loud, I made dinner. Then add Gujarati.
મેં ભોજન બનાવ્યું.
Point at something you built or fixed and say, he, she, it made it.
તેણે બનાવ્યું.
Slash.
તેણીએ બનાવ્યું.
Slash.
તે બનાવ્યું.
Message a friend one victory using we did or they did.
અમે કર્યું.
Or.
તેઓએ કર્યું.
Then list tomorrow's verbs. Make equals.
બનાવવું.
Do equals.
કરવું.
Thank you in next steps. Nice work, you kept it short, fun, and loud. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice these 8 keys daily. I made, make, he made, she made, it made, we did, do, they did, plus their Gujarati.
મેં બનાવ્યું. બનાવવું. તેણે બનાવ્યું. તેણીએ બનાવ્યું. તે બનાવ્યું. અમે કર્યું. કરવું. તેઓએ કર્યું.
Keep going at www.synapse-lingo.com for more episodes, drills, and printables. See you next time.